On August 19th of 2020, the Pritzker administration announced that they had distributed nearly $40 million in Rebuild Illinois grants to jumpstart capital projects across the state. So this was released by DCEO, which is the Illinois Department of Commerce and Economic Opportunity. These paragraphs give some background. I won't read them. You can pause the video and read them if you want to. So just some main points. Funding is supported by the Rebuild Illinois Capital Plan, shovel-ready public works projects, statement by Pritzker, statement by the acting director of the Department of Commerce and Economic Opportunity. And so the first bundle of grants were fast-track capital grants. Uh, 17 construction projects. And so for Will County, so as you can see, places across the state, and then for Will County, the Village of Beecher was awarded $966,719 for water main improvements.